turn markers into watercolor? I'm gonna show you how. Then you can get a Ziploc, some foil, or I'm just gonna use this piece of plastic that does not absorb water. Then you're just gonna rub the marker to your heart's desire. You can put as much or as little bit as you want. Then you're gonna add a little bit of water, a couple of drops, and then check this out. Here's the regular watercolor. Okay, she's cute. We've seen her 1,000 times. And this is the one we created. As you can see, they look so similar. And here's how they look in a painting. As you can see, these work great. They are so cool. That's why I wanted to ask you.
By your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. Let's sail across the beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, keeps me high.
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it, Maybe separate is better, better. I will love you till forever, forever. Forever